Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush green hills, there existed a mystical stone known as the Harmony Stone. Legend had it that this stone possessed the power to bring peace and prosperity to whoever possessed it. The villagers believed in its magic and guarded it with great care. One day, a young boy named Kai stumbled upon the Harmony Stone while exploring the forest. Entranced by its beauty and drawn to its aura, Kai could not resist the temptation to take it home. Little did he know his actions would set off a chain of events that would test the very fabric of his village. As soon as Kai brought the Harmony Stone home, the village began to change. People started arguing more, crops failed, and even the once clear streams became murky. Confusion and discord spread like wildfire, and the villagers could not understand why their once harmonious community was falling apart. Meanwhile, Kai noticed that whenever he held the Harmony Stone, he felt a strange sense of peace wash over him. Ignoring the growing turmoil around him, he kept the stone close, believing it to be his source of solace. Desperate to restore harmony to the village elder shouted out Kai and discovered the truth about the Harmony Stone. Realizing that the stone's power could only be harnessed for the greater good when it was shared and not possessed by one individual, the elder devised a plan. Gathering all the villagers in the town square, the elder explained the importance of unity and cooperation. He revealed that the Harmony Stone could only fulfill its true purpose when it was placed at the center of the village, where everyone could access its power equally. With Kai's reluctant consent, the elder placed the Harmony Stone in the center of the village. As the villagers gathered around it, they felt a wave of tranquility wash over them. Slowly but surely, the discord dissipated and the village returned to its former state of harmony. From that day forward, the villagers understood the true lesson behind the Harmony Stone. True peace and prosperity can only be achieved when shared among all rather than hoarded by one, and so they lived happily ever after, united by the power of harmony and cooperation. In the end, the moral of the story is true harmony and prosperity can only be achieved when shared among all rather than hoarded by one.